Hey guys, on today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to buy weapons, well ammo, for your weapons once you're not close to a gun store. So you just have to do it from anywhere really. You don't need a car for this, by the way, so to prove that I'm just going to get out of my car. Anyways, the quick way to do it is this way. So you guys are going to press on your controller right here, select, there's select and there's the other one, right? There we go. So you guys will hold that until you guys see this, and then you guys can click on inventory. Under inventory, just go right into ammo. Under ammo, you guys can see all your guns. So from here, you guys can buy one. For example, for my grenade launcher, I can just buy one at a time, or I can buy full ammo. So I'm gonna click on full ammo, and there we go. I have full ammo again. I can go through heavy weaponry. Yep, rockets. I need rockets, so I'm gonna buy full ammo again. Press A, and there we go. And that's it. That's how easy it is to buy ammo. You guys can do more stuff from there, by the way. So if I go back to it, I can go into inventory again. I can put on body armor. So I'm assuming you guys are in a huge battle. Just put on some heavy armor. You guys can, if you guys have low health, go to snacks and just take some snacks from there. However, I don't have any inventory there so of yet. I need to go to a store and buy some. You guys can buy a ton of stuff and then just eat it up to get your health up again. Anyways, that's it for this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.